on, clap your hands, say, yeah, I want somebody just wave your hands tonight. Somebody say they'll bring back. If I give out 2 more, don't mind, just wave your hands. Let's give an answer, Saturday. Give it with me. Somebody say when I was at the lowest point. Oh, you want it? Listen, fellas, let's go, say, come on, some church with me. Anybody know your pastor tonight? Just wave your hands. Somebody say it's my everything I went through. I'm not sure. Everything I've been through. Somebody said I'm blessed tonight. Come on, look at your neighbor and say, neighbor, I'm blessed tonight. Come on. Look at your neighbor and say, neighbor, I'm blessed tonight. The reason I know it, because I'm looking at you and you're looking at me. I see you now. I've been out down the fanciest car. But what I got, somebody said I never had a fanciest house, but the house I'm living in, somebody said, I'm thankful. Anybody thankful? I'm blessed tonight, mama. When I look at my baby back there praising God, doctor said he might not see out his eyes, but I know what doctor said.